Good morning, student. Yesterday we have completed the question up to 12 of exercise 12.3. Now see the question number 13 of exercise 12.3. Question number 13 is given that this is the diagram, this is a quadrant and this is your square O P Q पेन भी नहीं चल रहा, इंक भी भरी तो भी नहीं चल रहा, P Q A B C this is the shaded part. Given that OA is 20 centimeter, this is your 20 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. So, area of square OABC is side square, that is 20 square 400 centimeter square. So, this is the diagonal of a square. OB is diagonal of square. Diagonal of a square is side root 2. Side is 20, so 20 root 2 centimeter. Diagonal of a square is equal to radius of quadrant. So, radius of quadrant is 20 root centimeter square. This is 90 degree, this is a quadrant, it is given in the question. So, area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square 1/4 22/7 into 20 root 2 square. 2 2 ja 2 11 ja 11/14 into 20 into 20. Here you will put the value of pi is 3.14, that is 3.14. So, 2 2 ja 2 1.57 upon 2 into 20 into 20 root 2 square is 2. This 2 cancel it, 1.47 this is 400, 4 7 28, 4 5 20 and 2 22, 4 1 4 and 2 6. 628 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is 628 minus 400, that is 228 centimeter square. So this is your quadrant. Name of quadrant you can write OPBQ. So area of quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square, 1 upon 4 into 3.14. Value of pi is given in the question and radius is 20 root 2. So 2 cancel with 4, 1.57 upon 2. This 20 into 20 root 2 square is 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Now multiplied it 628. So minus it 400. So it become area of shaded square. Now see the question number 15. ABC is a quadrant. Here BAC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14. And circumcircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So this is BC taking center P and draw it is semicircle. Now you have to find out area of this shaded part. So area of quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square into 14 into 14, 7 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja, that is 154 centimeter square. Area of triangle BAC, half into base into height, half into 14 into 14, that is 98 centimeter square. Therefore, this is your first part, or you can say here is point taking Q. Area of segment BCQ, that is 154 minus 98, 56 centimeter square. Now in right triangle BAC, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to BA square plus AC square. BA is 14 square plus 14 square, 196 plus 196, that is 392. So BC is square root 392. Its factor will be again 14 into 2, that is 14 root 2 centimeter. So therefore this is point taking R, radius of semicircle BRC is 14 root 2 upon 2, that is 7 root 2. Area of semicircle BRC half pi r square, pi is 22 upon 7, 7 root 2, 7 root 2, 7 and 7 cancel, 2 11 ja, 11 into 7, root 2 into root 2 is 2, that is 154 centimeter square. Area of shaded region is area of semicircle BRC minus area of segment BQC. So it is 154, BQC is here 56. So it is 98 centimeter square. So last question of this exercise, question number 16. Question number 16. This is your square and this is shaded part. This is the shaded part. Given that the side of square is 8 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. So how to find out? This you can say this is first part and this is second part. Area of square is side square, that is 8 square. Area of quadrant, here written as any point P. Area of quadrant ABPD, that is 1 upon 4 pi r square. R is 8. This 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, to the 32, 32 and 3 35. Therefore, area of first part, this one, first part is area of square minus area of quadrant. Area of square is 64 minus 352 upon 7. Take the LCM of it. 7 is the LCM. 7 4 is 28. 7 6 is 42 and 2 44. Minus 352, that is 6 1 1. Similarly, area of second part is also 116 upon 7 centimeter square. Now, area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of first part and minus area of second part. So, area of square is 64 minus 116 upon 7 minus 116 upon 7. So, it will be 7 is the LCM, 448, 116, 116, 448 minus 232 upon 7, 6, 216 upon 7 centimeter square. Two 56. 256. Area of square is this one. So, see the calculation, there is some mistake is there. 96 upon 7. This is 96 upon 7. It will be 192 and here is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So, here this chapter is completed. Thank you.